Hello guys, back again with another video, BBJ Luxury, and this is a cool Chevelle here, 1971. If you're new to my channel, definitely make sure you like and subscribe. And I also want you guys to check out my new merch. I have classic car t-shirt merch as well on my channel. The link to that is bbjluxuries.store. You can go on there and purchase you a t-shirt, hoodie, or baseball cap. Also a coffee mug if you drink coffee or you like hot chocolate or whatever the case may be. I just want to thank you for tuning in today to my channel where I bring you only the best quality content. Let me know what you think about this Chevelle right here in the comment section. I really appreciate your comment. Definitely stay tuned for more BBJ Luxury content. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Appreciate you for tuning in with me today. You have a blessed and wonderful evening.